when you have me house sit for you, what I do, I'm gonna collect your mail. That's what I'm here for. And if my dad ordered the SMOVE gimbal, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna do an unboxing video. This is Tony Tung, and welcome to my unboxing video for the SMOVE video. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off this plastic wrap. Take off this plastic wrap. Take off this plastic wrap. Okay, here we go. This plastic wrap. Take off this plastic wrap. Okay, and what we're gonna notice is, okay, cut that part. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this box. This is the SMOVE Mobile. On the back it says compatible with iOS and Android. Made in PRC, so as to say not made in China, but made in PRC. That's wonderful. Okay. Not much information on the outside of the box other than it's an extendable smartphone stabilizer. Great. Let's open it down here. Looks like we open it here, and I've already ruined the box. Lots of padded foam underneath. So in the box we find a user manual, a bunch of connectors. Looks like micro USB connectors, which is fine. What is this? This is a tripod. That's great. Here we have it's a handle. The handles are not a handle. What do you call this? The wrist lanyard goes on your wrist. Have a USB connector, and the must be the gimbal itself in a carrying case. Got a carrying case for it. Great. So, first thing I notice, there is a smell. When I open the bag, there's a smell. I'm not sure what this is. Anti-theft device? No. Some sort of wrench. There's a wrench. I'm not sure. What's in the bag? Some weird shaped bag. Some free floating thing. See right in here. USB connector. Okay, and oh, here's a card. And it says, quick smart guide. You want us to charge your SMOVE. You want to insert and balance your phone and power on. That's all it takes. And that is in the bag. We're gonna try this out and we will see how we do. That's it. Catch you next time. This has been Tony Tung unboxing the SMOVE Mobile.